Welcome back to Broken Dreams Orchard. It's been about a week and a half that we're going to double check and make sure the colony's doing well. No ants, so that's good. See if they made it up to the second box. Okay, you can see they're starting on the second box. So that's good. We'll see where all the activity is on the first one. There we go. Well, looking pretty good. All the nectar. From what I can tell, it looks pretty good. Anybody has any comments, let me know. Looks to be doing really well. Trying to see if I can spot the queen. I don't know if I should remove this or not.
I don't know why you keep removing them.
But I just did. I didn't take this one out yet. Wow, looking really good. Amazing how fast they work in just a short time. Everything looks to be doing pretty well. Check some of these outside. Not much of anything.
You start on one.
All right. Be careful. And make sure it's lined up for no water gaps. Queen separator, so this will allow the queen to stay below and the working bees to come up and store the honey. All right, well, everything looks good. Comment, let me know, subscribe if I'm doing something wrong or right. Subscribe to Broken Dreams Orchard. Thank you.